Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets that are shaping the future. Today, we've got something futuristic, something truly wearable tech-worthy. AI smart glasses with an 8-megapixels HD camera, color-changing lenses, Bluetooth, real-time translation, and a whole lot more. Let's take a real-world, hands-on look at this multi-functional powerhouse. Alright, let's start with the look. From a distance, these glasses look like your typical pair of stylish shades, nothing flashy. But underneath that sleek exterior lies some serious tech. On the front frame is an 800W HD camera, capable of shooting crisp videos and taking photos, all stabilized by built-in ISE. That's electronic image stabilization. You're not just recording moments, you're capturing them smoothly, even while moving. Here's some footage directly from the glasses. The image quality is surprisingly clear for a compact wearable camera. Whether you're hiking, cycling, or traveling, you're getting hands-free recording without the need for any mounts or accessories. Now this next feature is straight out of a sci-fi film. These smart glasses come with built-in real-time AI translation. Just set your source and target language in the companion app, and boom, conversations are translated instantly. It supports 26 languages on board, and through app integration, that number goes up to 139. Imagine being in Tokyo or Paris and understanding the menu, signs, or even having a conversation, all without pulling out your phone. Everything is controlled via smart touch on the temples. You can tap to take photos, hold to start video recording, and slide to adjust the volume. There's even voice control, making it truly hands-free. It's responsive, intuitive, and best of all, discreet. Let's talk lenses. These aren't just regular shades. They have UV 400 polarized lenses with blue light filtering. What's more, they adapt to lighting conditions. Step outdoors, and they darken. Head back inside, and they become clear. It's not just cool, it's practical, whether you're working indoors or out in the sun. And yes, they're IP65 waterproof. That means rain, sweat, or splashes aren't going to ruin your day. You can take them to the gym, on a run, or even through a drizzle without worry. Here's another win: the 32GB built-in storage. You can record hours of video or thousands of photos. And the best part? You don't need mobile data or Wi-Fi to transfer files. Just use the Hey Cyan app, connect via Wi-Fi 4, and your content uploads directly to the cloud. The glasses even auto-delete transferred files to clear up space. Super smart. Battery life is solid too. A 290 mAh battery gives you up to 12 hours of music, 6 hours of calls, and around 2 hours of continuous video recording. A quick 120-minute charge gets you ready for a full day out. So, who is this for? If you're a traveler, content creator, student, language learner, or just a tech enthusiast, these glasses are packed with useful features. They blur the line between functionality and fashion. You've got AI at your fingertips, or rather, on your face. Is it perfect? No gadget ever is. But for under the hood, these AI smart glasses offer a lot of value. Translation, recording, connectivity, and vision, all in one. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more deep dive critiques. This has been Product Critique, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay curious.